Hello everyone. Today we're diving into a comparison between ClickUp and Hive, two popular platforms for project management in 2024. First things first, click the link in the description box to access both platforms. So, let's jump right in. Let's start by looking at ClickUp. ClickUp offers a comprehensive suite of features tailored to diverse organizational needs. It stands out for its AI-powered productivity, viewing work options in different slides and customization options. You can easily integrate the tools, search files through your app or local drive, organize your work and events. Additionally, ClickUp offers a mobile app, providing users with the flexibility to manage projects on the go. In terms of pricing, ClickUp offers 4 monthly plans. First, the free plan offers 100 MB storage, unlimited tasks, and more. Second, unlimited plan for $7 is best for small teams, offers free plan features with storage, integration, and more. Third, Business for $12 is best for mid-sized teams, offers everything in unlimited with Google SSO, custom exporting, and more. Last, Enterprise Plan for custom price is best for large teams, offers everything in business and more advanced features. On the other hand, Hive focuses on combining project management with collaboration and productivity tools. It offers features such as project management, time tracking, goals, collaboration and messaging, forms and proofing and approval. While Hive platform includes analytics, automations, Hive apps, integrations, templates, download Hive. In the terms of pricing, Hive offers a free plan, best for light project management plan. Second plan is entry-level starter plan at the pricing $1. Third plan is team plan at pricing $3. For organizations requiring advanced control, an enterprise plan with custom pricing is available, whereas Hive also offers monthly pricing terms. In summary, both ClickUp and Hive offer powerful features for project management. ClickUp shines in its feature richness and customization abilities, making it suitable for larger teams or projects with complex workflows. However, if your team values collaboration, productivity, and seamless integration with other tools, Hive could be the ideal solution for your project management needs. That's all for today. Simply click the link in the description below to choose between these two platforms. Thank you for watching.